Whoa. Oh, whoa. Oh, God. Jesus.
That was a good video.
So how'd you guys get into an accident? Well, I was taking a movie.
Thanks, Chris. Oh, thank goodness they have their flashers on. Oh,
It's
they're
so
taking our exit too.
It's so we know it's hazardous.
Glad they're taking our exit so we can all get stuck because they're going too fucking slow.
Are they stopped?
What's going on?
What are they doing?
I want to go around them.
You can't.
I know.
Oh,
yeah.
oh.
Are you
What?
Are you serious?
What?
What are they doing?
Not taking this exit. Oh, and they're spinning around.
I'm gonna fucking get stuck if they don't get out of the way. I don't even recognize the exit.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Cold?
My hand's cold.
Are you still taking a video?
Yeah.
How long was it? Like
a while.
Wow. So pretty. That tree. Oh no.
Oh my God.
Oh, I'm not gonna be able to go now.
Fuck. Oh, wow.
What are the chances somebody would come up from there?
Oh.
Can you push me behind me?
Sure.
No, I meant the person behind me.
Oh, there is someone behind
There's
you.
someone behind me.
It's a plow.
Yeah. Look, everyone's open.
Hooray!
Get out of the road! The sidewalk is plowed here. What's gonna happen? I think you might have to walk.
Okay.